In this video, I will be demonstrating how you can use the PTS-1 and the PrecisePower software to perform a band map sweep. Band map sweep mode rapidly changes the frequency of the RF output, according to the preset frequency ranges and power levels stored in the band map. The band map stores a power level for each discrete frequency step, and areas of the band can be used or skipped over entirely as desired. The speed of the steps is user-defined between 25 and 1000 milliseconds. These discrete frequency steps are 1 MHz wide. Sweeps always start at the bottom of the band and sweep from left to right. Once it has reached the top of the band, it resets and starts the sweep again. It will do this until RF is turned off. The band map can be saved as a CSV file and recalled at a later time. This powerful function facilitates maximum power delivery to uneven or changing loads. Now, I will show you how to perform a band map sweep. First, we will perform an analyze load to see where the optimal frequencies exist. I select Analyze Load and click RF on. This particular load has two spots where the match is quite good, with the middle being somewhat poor. We will now click on Band Map Sweep Mode and then Edit Map. This will bring up a yellow border around our graph, so we know we are in Edit Map mode. You can see the title of the band map you currently have loaded above the graph. I will now drag my power set cursor to 1000 watts and click Apply Power Set. Next, I will click on the Best Map button. This will automatically select the best frequencies to apply 1000 watts. If you do not like the results, you can reset the graph and draw your own boundaries using the start and stop frequency cursors. You need to click Apply Power Set to set the power level inside each block of frequencies. I will click twice because I have two target areas I want to sweep. Once you have your powers and frequencies set, you will need to click the Save Map button and name it. Make sure you name your band map something descriptive so you remember what it looks like. These CSV files can also be edited outside of PrecisePower to create other shapes. When you are happy with the band map, and want to produce some RF, you will need to exit the Edit Map mode. We will now click on the RF on button, in the upper left-hand corner. The generator will now produce 1000 watts of power for 25 milliseconds at each discrete frequency point. The points that are set to 0 watts will be skipped. The return loss will be plotted on the graph at the frequencies you have selected after each pass. This gives you real-time feedback. This data is also shown on the band map table. You can save the graph as a JPEG or the table as a CSV file. The Reset Graph button will remove plots of old return loss data. If we hook the output up to a spectrum analyzer, we can clearly see the frequency stays within the two desired frequency ranges, and skips the frequencies we wanted to avoid. This can be a powerful feature, allowing you to maximize the delivered power and sometimes prevent arcing. Thanks for watching. Please contact us for more information.